What is up, everybody? It's Jack here. I'm a Shopify developer here at Section Store, and in this video I'm going to be going over how you can add a video banner like this with the liquid glass style buttons and icons to your Shopify theme. So this liquid glass looks really great, and it's a style that's been popularized by Apple with their new iOS, so it's very on brand at the moment. This is the easiest way to get something like this with a really high quality styling plus the video banner into your Shopify theme, and it doesn't require writing any code or paying any app subscriptions, so let's get into it. So for this, we're going to be using the Section Store app. It's a component library of theme sections that plug into your existing Shopify theme. For this specifically, we're going to use Video Banner Pro. As you can see, it's $14, but this is a one-time charge, so you purchase it once and you own it forever. You don't have to pay again, and you can use this in as many themes as you like for as long as you like. Once you purchase the section, it's going to show up here under My Sections, ready for installation. As you can see, under My Sections, we have Video Banner Pro, and to add it to the theme, we're just going to use the button and select the theme that we're working with. Now we can head into the theme editor, find the page that we're looking to update, hit Add Section, search for Video Banner Pro, and we just add it here like a regular Shopify section. As you can see, it's going to add to the theme, and then you click on it to customize. So when we click on the name, it's going to first give us the overall section settings here. Starting at the top, we have height. We have the option for full screen, fixed height, or automatic, depending on the video. You have the option to turn autoplay on or off, add a delay to the autoplay if you want, and then we have a toggle for the liquid glass buttons if you want that liquid glass effect. Below that is some content settings, so this is going to be the video. First is overlay, if you want a slight overlay on the video, and then there's a max width toggle. You can align it either left, centered, or right, and then we have positioning as well, top or bottom. Underneath that is heading settings, so we have some heading text here that we can optionally add. If you have this, you can add a custom font, change the sizes for desktop and mobile, and you have some advanced settings like line height. Same thing for the text, or this text below the heading. Change the font, the sizes, and the line height if you want to. Underneath that is our liquid glass style buttons. So we've got a style here. You can choose what style you want as the buttons. The option to open the link in a new tab or have it in the same tab. Use a custom font. Change the font size for the buttons. We've got advanced settings for padding, line height, and everything else, including roundness. So you can make these more circular or more square. And then we have margin top and bottom and border thickness if you want to add a border. Below that is pagination settings. So if you have multiple slides in the slideshow, this is the settings that's going to allow the customer to click through those slides like we saw in the first example with the 1, 2, 3 in the top right corner. You can have this on or just turn it off if you want it to rotate automatically. If it's on, choose an alignment for desktop and mobile. You can position it at the top, the center, or the bottom of the page. Same thing for numbers, so the numbers in those pagination settings. Use a custom font, adjust the font sizes and the line height here if you want to. Underneath that is the play pause button, so this is for the video that shows up on each one. You can turn the button on or off if you just want it to play automatically, and then update all of the styling options like size and icon size along with the border thickness. Underneath that is some settings that you may be familiar with from other sections. It's all to do with colors, so for every part of the section there's a color wheel that you can use to customize the color to get this on brand or matching with your theme. We've got content colors, text colors, first button colors, second button colors, pagination colors, play and pause button colors, and then overall section colors like the background and overlay. Finally, down the bottom, we've got section margin outside and padding inside. These are relating to space between the edge of the section and the edge of the page. I generally recommend leaving these as default, but if for whatever reason you want space on the outside or top and bottom of the section, you can update these pixel by pixel to adjust that space. Once you've customized all that, we can come back one screen and we're going to customize the blocks that make up the section. So if you have two videos, we want to add a second video slide here using Add Slide. This is going to give us these two slide tiles. We customize each of these for one video. So click on the section name and it's going to give us some options here. First and foremost, it's going to prompt you to upload a video to Shopify. So select a video that you've uploaded, or you can change this to external URL if you want to host a video from YouTube or Vimeo. Below that, we've got heading and text for the first slide. So this text here and the heading here, you can customize these independently, and they inherit the styling that we set up previously in terms of size and font color. Underneath that is our button settings. So we've got first button label, the link for the first button, and then the same thing, second button label and link. So you fill out what you want the button to say, and then either paste an external link here or click on a product or collection that you want it to link to in Shopify. If you only need one button, you can just remove all of the text from the second button fields and it'll hide itself automatically. You would repeat the same process for the second slide or as many slides as you have. If, for example, you wanted to show 5 videos, we can just hit add and add the videos here. So for the second video, you would come and customize it the exact same way, all of your text, button labels, and links. Once you've added all the videos that you want, if you don't need them, of course you can delete them. You can preview this in desktop and mobile to make sure it's looking good, and then save the theme. And there we have it. That was a super quick tutorial on how you can add a customizable video banner with the liquid glass style icons, just like Apple iOS, to your Shopify theme. It's a great looking section, easy to customize in the theme editor, and the styling with the liquid glass is very popular and on brand at the moment with the release of iOS 26. Works with any theme, even the free ones from Shopify, and can be a great conversion booster, and overall just makes your theme look a little bit better and more professional. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, keep an eye on this channel and the app as we release more sections like this every week.